Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make a decent thumbnail quickly and easily using ShareFactory. This is available on PS4 and PS5. So what you want to do is go onto your video that you want to take the thumbnail from and take a few good screenshots of what you think will make a good thumbnail. You want it to be something attractive, something that asks questions, something that makes people want to click on it. So you want to go onto photo editor after you've got your screenshots, new project. I ignore all that. Now you have the choice, you can use 1 picture, 2 pictures, 4 pictures, etc. For this video I'm going to be using 2. Anyone who's a fan of DC knows who Amanda Waller is. She's covered in blood. It asks questions. Why she's covered in blood? What has she done? So the first thing you want to do is press square and get rid of the borders. You can keep them. I prefer to get rid of them. And then you want to zoom in. So X, zoom in. Because on YouTube it's going to come up a lot smaller. So this is the main selling point of my thumbnail, so I'm going to make sure I zoomed in nice and close. Keep it even. There we go. Remember guys, it's just brief and quick to show you. So now I'm going to do the same with this one. I would like to keep everyone in the picture, but that's not going to happen, so I'm going to try and keep Deadshot's reaction in the background and the blood on her face, as well as a decapitated head. Although don't forget that in the bottom right corner it shows you the length of the video, so sometimes it's not always going to be visible. I'm just going to leave it like that because I'm trying to keep this brief and quick. Now you want to, you've got all the options here to change the layout, but I'm just going to use this one for now. Now you want to go to filters, add filter. I always use the one to the right, and you want to go back to it, filter settings and increase intensity. Doesn't really make a big difference in this picture, but on some games like Star Wars, it does make the photos look a lot better. So now you're going to do that to the other one. And now you want to add an overlay. An overlay is just pictures or text. I didn't bother with any of this. You got your PlayStation text. I normally use this one because it's big and bold. But for Suicide Squad, I will be using this one. So you're going to write something big. I normally tend to like to keep it on the left side because I read from the left, and I'm sure most other people do as well. And it's usually what you see first. So put Amanda Waller, R2, text effects. You've got all these different ones. I'll let you guys go through that. I always use this one. And colour. You can have different coloured words, whatever you want to do. I'm just going to put it as red. Remember guys, I'm not trying to make this the best thumbnail. I'm just showing you quickly how to do it. Transform. L1 to make it smaller. R1 bigger. L2, you can twist it. And R2, twist it the other way. And then you want to press X. You can also change this so it's less visible. But I normally like to keep it like that. Circle, X again, add another text. Put loses her mind. So with the picture, the blood, her obviously looking a bit crazy with a decapitated head next to her. Amanda Waller loses her mind. It sort of makes sense with what the picture is. That's going to make people want to click and wonder what's going on. Just going to shrink that down. Obviously this isn't how I would leave it, but this is just to show you guys. Put it there. Add colour. Yep, and then you can press X, edit overlays, and you can obviously move around and pick which ones you want to edit. Just press square on them. And then you want to make it big screen like this. Wait for that bar to disappear at the bottom, and then screenshot it. Make sure you save it because you may want to make some changes, or when you upload it sometimes it just doesn't seem to want to work. So now you want to go to the last project or the project you want it on. I will skip to the end, press X, add screenshot, square. Now you want to press options or pause, generate thumbnail. Now this will be the thumbnail, so what you want to do now is delete it so it doesn't come up in your video. I like to export mine to gallery and then transfer it to USB and do it all via laptop. So I find it's just quicker, but you can do it straight from the PlayStation. But either way, that thumbnail saves. So with the video in your gallery, it'll upload straight onto your USB with the video, and with the PlayStation it should too. Just go share video and exit. And that's it, guys. Comment down below if you'd like me to show you how to do other things on ShareFactory, how to transfer it to your computer, etc.